This Elkay bottle filler needs its filter replaced, so we're going to go ahead and do that. This one takes a ERF 750, and you're also going to need a 5/32 Allen wrench. I'll put links below to the filter in the description. On either side of this bottom plate, there's a little bolts there. Go ahead and take those out with your 5/32 Allen wrench. Okay, so I've got the 4 screws out, so we're going to go ahead and remove this, and this just pulls straight out. Now when I remove this, I'm going to go ahead and turn the water off, and you're going to want to have a towel handy, because this is filled with water right now, so there's going to be some leakage that comes through here. And as soon as you get this out, you want to tilt it up a little bit to try and minimize the amount of water that comes out. So just give it a twist, and just be ready for the water to come out. Not too bad, but you definitely need to have a towel handy. Now if you're a new filter, go ahead and remove the cap. Start with it like this. Place in here. Give it a quarter turn. Then go ahead and turn your water back on. You can hear the filter filling up. You can see the filter has reset. I'm going to go ahead and run a jug of water there and get the water, or get the air out of the system, and also some of the little charcoal bits from the filter. You can see that water's kind of cloudy there. Once you've gotten all the air out of the lines and cleaned up the mess you've made here, go ahead and put the cover back on. Put your screws in and you're all set. Hope that video was helpful. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button.